guys, this is the volatility 75 index scalping strategy. Time frame is 5 minutes time frame. You need only two indicators. Do you understand? Moving average and ADX. This is what the only two indicators you need to make it massive. Scalping volatility 75 index on 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So I want you to pay attention, understand every bit of this video, how to set up the indicators and how to apply this so that you will record massive profit. Do you understand? So let me show you how to set up the indicators. Pay attention, you can copy it down or you screenshot it because that is where the most important thing lies. Do you understand? So the first thing you need to do is to do what? Head over to the function. Do you understand? So here what the moving average parameters. Do you understand? The period is 200. The shift 0 method exponential apply to close. Do you understand? Style 4 pixel color red. Do you understand? That is for what? Moving average. So once you're done setting the moving average this way, we click on done. Do you understand? Now the next indicator is average directional movement index indicator, ADX. Do you understand? So you click on ADX. Here what the parameters for ADX. The period is 100. Do you understand? The period is what? 100. Now when you come to the style, look at the style. Now the color is white. Do you understand? The color is white for what? For style. Now the essence of this white is so that it will blend with what? The screen background. My screen background is white. Do you understand? That is why I choose white. Do you understand? If your screen background is black, you choose what? Black. Do you understand? So that it will not reflect. The only thing we need is what? Plus DI and minus DI. Do you understand? So once you are done setting it up this way, you click on what? On done. Now let's go back to our chart and I will show you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit. Do you understand? So here what? Our chart. Do you understand? Now let me show you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit. First of all, the moving average, you need to do what? Identify the direction of the market. So with the help of moving average, we understand the direction of the market. So looking on my chart now, the candlesticks are below moving average to tell you that the market is what? Moving downward. Do you understand? So this is what a bearish trend, because the candlesticks are below moving average. Do you understand? So once you identify the direction of the market, once you understand the trend of the market, then the next thing is to look for where to do what? Make your entry in the direction. So when the market is trading downward, all we are going to focus on is what? Sell opportunities, sell signals. Now the next thing is how to find sell signals. Do you understand? Now that brings us down to what? The side of ADX. Do you understand? Now when you look at the ADX, there are two lines of ADX. Red line of ADX and green line of ADX. Now when the ADX, the red line crosses the green line upward, that is what? Sell signal. Do you understand? So this is what I mean. Look at this point here where red line of ADX crosses the green line of ADX. That is the point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? All right, let's proceed. Now this is it. This is it. You need to do what? Make your entry here. Do you understand? You need to do what? Make your sell entry where the red line of ADS crosses the green line. Do you understand? So we are making our sell entry because the candlesticks are below moving average. So we are only selling. Do you understand? And this is what create profit for you. Do you understand? So this is a scalping strategy. So once you make a lot of gain, you go out and wait for another opportunity. Do you understand? All right, now let's move. Now here is another. Provided the candlesticks are still below moving average, all our focus should be on sell signals. Do you understand? So that we will ride in the direction of what? the trend, so that we don't contradict the trend. We move with the trend. Do you understand? That is the best way to make massive profit in forex, following the trend. Do you understand? All right, so here I seen it. Now here the candlesticks crosses again. Now all these are opportunities. If you miss the first opportunity, here is another opportunity for you to enter. Here is another opportunity for you to do what? Enter and make massive profit. Do you understand? So you make a what? Sell entry from this point of crossing. Make a what? Sell entry from this point of crossing, and this is what? Massive profit. So we are focusing on sell signals because the candlesticks are still below moving average. Do you understand? All right, let's proceed. See it here is what? Another opportunity. Here is what? Another opportunity, great opportunity. So we make your what? Sell entry here, and you record massive profit. Do you understand? As easy as that. So we proceed. Now here the candlesticks are above moving average, so we've only focused on buy signals. Do you understand? So buy signal is where the green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS, so you make a buy entry here. So from here now, this is what our buy entry here. Do you understand? So we make a buy entry from this point of crossing. Do you understand? So you record massive profit. Look at it. There are the crossing here where the green line crosses the red line of it is, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occurs. So you make your what? Buy entry and record massive profit. As easy as that. So let's proceed. You understand? Now from this point, you see it. Once you look at this, you make your entry here, buy entry here. Do you understand? You make your buy entry here. Now look at this. The candlesticks are the red line crosses, but the candlesticks are still above. So we don't trade this one. Do you understand? Now watch here. This is the crossing here, and this is the candlestick. You see where the candlestick ends above what? Moving average. So you make your what? Buy entry from this point here. Do you understand? So when the candlesticks are above moving average, you focus on buy signals. When they are below moving average, you focus on what? On sell signals. And this is what? Massive profit. As easy as that. So let's proceed. Now watch here. The candlesticks are below moving average. Do you understand? So this is what? A great opportunity. Look at the candlestick. You see this small candlesticks here. That is where the crossing do what? Occur. So you make a what? Sell entry from that point. Do you understand? This is a scalping strategy, 5 minutes time frame, volatility 75 index. Do you understand? So you make a what? Sell entry from this point and do what? Record the massive profit. As easy as that. Guys, this is a great profit generating strategy. And do what? You see, this is a what? Another opportunity for you to do what? Make massive profit. Make a what? Sell entry here. And do what? And record massive profits. So guys, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.